I guess I'll just wrap up with just a minute, and I'll go back. I guess. Oops. One of the slides I was showing as kind of in the introduction, which is to say that the PDB is an ongoing legacy, an ongoing part of science. And I was making the point that DNA sequence codes for RNA and RNA codes for protein. And now protein folding or RNA folding and nucleic acid folding gives us the three-dimensional structures. And the protein data bank is our resource. It is our collection. It's our common knowledge of that process, not the mechanism, but what the structures are. And it's a tremendously important resource in that way, as important as our understanding of transcription or translation. And some of the topics we covered and talked about, I should say it's a very exciting time to be at this 50th anniversary. It's kind of a transition point where the vision was that somehow the structures could teach us to the experimental structures to make reliable models. And we've seen multiple cases where the deep learning methods are giving us, for the most part, quite reliable models. So actually, in my own mind, I kind of think, what does this mean for what we do in structural biology and the connection with structural biology, with cell biology? How does this change our thinking? And I'm still pondering this, what the full implication of that is. But here we are at 50 years, and if we go to 100 years, this is the halfway point. And it's very interesting to think that this halfway point is where that we reach that level of understanding. So these were some of the topics I said we'd cover. Some of them we did a little bit less than we might like tomography, structural biology to cell biology, or even rational drug design. But these are the insights. These are the areas of investigation. This is the new knowledge that the PDB has given us. And I think we should all thank very much the people, the whole WWP PDB leadership and staff that have made this possible for us. So with that, thank you very much for your time and attention. I hope we all learned a lot. Actually, it's funny, when kids celebrate, they have birthday parties with cakes. And when grown-ups celebrate, they tend to drink a little bit of wine and things like that. When scientists celebrate, they talk about science, because I think it's what we really love to do the most. And this was really a great celebration in that sense, talking about science. So thank you very much, everyone, for your time.